If you have ever used optical HDMI cables, you will notice that they are not always reliable, especially 50 meters and 150 meters. The reason is there are too many fake optical HDMI cables in the market. So if you are looking for an alternative to optical HDMI cable, let me introduce you to Shimbol TPNANO. It is a budget-friendly wireless transmitter with a range of 150 meters and with 60 milliseconds ultra-low latency. I have used this wireless transmitter for events without any issue. I'm going to be doing a little test run, but first let's quickly see what comes in the box and other features you need to know. In the box, you get the wireless transmitter and receiver, a Type-C to HDMI cable, 2 Type-C cables, and a user manual. This wireless transmitter and receiver comes with a built-in battery that can last up to 4 hours, and you can use power bank if you need extra battery life. On the body of the transmitter, it has the on and off switch, USB 5V port, and HDMI input. By the side, this button over here, and the light indicator for you to know whenever the wireless transmitter is connected. And below, this is where you can connect your hot shoe. On the receiver, it has the on and off switch, USB-C 5V port, and HDMI output. By the side, it also has this light indicator and button over here. At the back of the wireless transmitter and receiver, they both have magnetic ring which you can attach to any iron surface. And if you have smartphone that has MagSafe, you can attach it to the back of your phone. Another cool thing with this wireless transmitter and receiver is that if you have any smartphone that has display ports, you can use the Type-C to HDMI cable to connect it to this receiver, and you can send video wirelessly from your smartphone using this wireless transmitter. This device was sent to me by Shimbol, and you can get it on AliExpress for $92. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description and on the pinned comment so you can purchase. Next, we're going to head over to the setup. This is the receiver over here with the magnetic ring at the back. You can attach it to any iron just like I did in this video. The receiver is connected to this capture card, which I am currently recording the video from the camera using OBS Studio. I'm going to be doing the test run now. This is not a big judge, so I'm just going to walk around and test the latency. Later in this video, there's going to be hand movement so you can see the latency. This wireless transmitter and receiver makes it easy for you to use, and with the built-in battery, you don't need to get extra battery. Do not forget to click the link in the pinned comment and in the description to purchase. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about media, the link to join my Telegram channel is in the description. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. See you in my next video.